Hope you are doing okay, class 7, and welcome to today's social studies lesson. Last week on Friday, we had a Zoom lesson on some regional trade organizations, and we also reminded ourselves what regional trade organizations are, and we gave examples, 3 of them. We said we had COMESA, we had ECOWAS, and we had SADC. So on Friday, we discussed COMESA, and today I want us to look at another trade organization, which is ECOWAS. And ECOWAS, as you can see, it stands for Economic Community of West African States. That is the meaning of ECOWAS, Economic Community of West African States. So we have to, first of all, before that, make sure you have your pen and your exercise book, because the notes that are here are the ones that you should be taking, not the ones in your textbook. So let us look at what our lesson is all about today. Starting with the formation of ECOWAS, this is a trade organization which was formed in the year 1975. 1975 is when ECOWAS was formed. ECOWAS, also known as Economic Community of West African States. And the headquarters of ECOWAS are found in Lagos. Remember, Lagos is in Nigeria. That's where the headquarters of ECOWAS are found. During the formation, the headquarters were in Lagos, but today the headquarters of ECOWAS are not in Lagos. So during the formation, the headquarters were in Lagos, but after the formation, the headquarters were shifted from Lagos to Abuja in Nigeria. And remember, Abuja is the capital city of Nigeria, not Lagos. So today, the headquarters of ECOWAS are found in Abuja, Nigeria. So make sure that you add that its headquarters were. This one should be were. Its headquarters were found in Lagos, Nigeria, but today, so you have to add today, they are found in Abuja, Nigeria. I forgot to include that when I was typing these notes, but you can do that in your book. I'm saying that point 2, you should write it as follows. Its headquarters were found in Lagos, Nigeria, but today the headquarters are in Abuja, Nigeria. So if someone asks you, where are the headquarters of ECOWAS? The headquarters of ECOWAS are in Abuja. And if someone asks you, where were the headquarters of ECOWAS during its formation? The headquarters of ECOWAS during its formation were located in Lagos, Nigeria. Move forward. We go to point 3. Members are countries found in West Africa, in western part of Africa. As the name suggests, Economic Community of West African States. This is a trade bloc whose members are located in West Africa. And you know West African countries, that one you can check from your atlas or from your textbook. You can see the countries that are found in West Africa. It was formed mainly to promote trade. That's the main reason why ECOWAS was formed. It was formed mainly to promote trade between the member states. So the member countries of ECOWAS benefit from ECOWAS by improving trade between the countries. And then the main problem, and I always repeat this anytime I'm discussing any trade bloc, the main problem facing ECOWAS is production of similar goods, or in short, similarity of goods. The following are the member states of ECOWAS. The following are some of the member states of ECOWAS, and one of them is Gambia. We have Guinea-Bissau. So as you can see, these are countries which are located in western part of Africa. we have got Guinea-Bissau, we have Burkina Faso, we have got Ghana, we have got Togo, Senegal, Cote d'Ivoire, also known as Ivory Coast, we have Liberia, we have got Guinea, we have Sierra Leone, we have Nigeria, Benin, Mali, Niger, we have Cape Verde, and we have Mauritania. So those are some of the member states of ECOWAS. They are in your book. You can copy or you can get a list from your textbook. The member states of ECOWAS. The list is in your textbook, either Mentor or KLB Social Studies Class 7. We have got the last bit of our lesson today. Remember, our lesson is very short because this is a very short subtopic. The member states of ECOWAS. Sorry, I'm just done with the member states. The benefits of trade organizations. We have got the benefits of trade organizations, and some of the benefits are the ones that I've just listed here. And I always start with the main benefit: improvement of trade. So the benefit number one of trade blocks is improved trade. Number two, have got increased foreign exchange. Of course, trade is going to give you a lot of foreign money, and foreign money, the money that countries get from exporting their goods, is what we call foreign exchange. And then we have improved transport. That's another benefit of trade organizations. Improved transport and communication systems like roads, like airports. You know, when we are dealing with importation and exportation of products, we must have a good and efficient system of transport. That is why we have in Kenya, we have got the Jomo Kenyatta Airport, which is, by the way, one of the largest airports within Africa. So countries that are members of ECOWAS, for them to export goods, they must have good transport network for the goods to move from one country to another. And that is why we are saying that the creation of ECOWAS has helped countries to improve their transport and communication system so as to facilitate the movement of goods from one country to another. Then number four, we have got creation of employment. Of course, this one is very open. Everybody can understand that. We have got growth of urban centers. Growth of urban centers is what we call urbanization. So because of ECOWAS, so many towns have grown. Like a town like Abuja, which is the headquarters of ECOWAS, has developed because of the situation of the offices that govern the operations of ECOWAS. And then lastly, we have got improved cooperation and unity. Of course, you cannot trade with a person who is your enemy. No, we always trade with people that are our friends. So improved cooperation and unity is because of the trade. You cannot trade with your enemy. So trade has helped all those member countries of ECOWAS to be good friends. Lastly, we have got a very important point to note, NB, and I don't know which time, I don't know how many times I'm going to repeat this, but you just get someone still missing out on this question when it comes in exams. I'm repeating this, I don't know, this is the fifth time I'm repeating this, NB, and make sure you write it. The main problem facing all trade blocks, COMESA, SADC, ECOWAS, also East African Community. The main problem facing trade blocks is production of similar goods. The main problem facing trade blocks is production of similar goods, and that problem can be solved by increasing manufacturing of goods, unlike processed goods. That's how we can help solve that problem. I think that marks the end of our lesson. Make sure that you get those notes and you listen to the explanation from the beginning up to the end. Otherwise, have a good time and take care till we meet on Friday. Bye bye.